Where's the truck, huh? You see it down there? Aw, man. Say, aw, man. Where did it go? Where'd it go? Okay, I'll pick you up. We'll hold your hand. Come on, let's look at the truck. It's down there. See the truck? It's a cool truck, huh? Where's it going? What's it doing? Where did it go? You don't know? Say, aw, man. Alright, it's February 9th, 2010, and we're looking for the truck. We found it. It's down there, moving around snow. Say, moving snow. Moving snow. Alright, we like this truck. You see another one? You see that one? There's one behind us. Look at her face full of wonder.
What?
Where is it?
What?
Oh, there it is. There it is. You see it? It's down there too. Alright. We love the truck. Say bye-bye. Can you say bye-bye?
No.
Okay, bye.